In the springtime in Florida, when bass are spawning, there is no better lure to get vicious strikes from bass than an old favorite prop-style topwater bait, my favorite being the Berkeley Spin Rocket. The prop bait is a subtle topwater lure, similar to a popper in its retrieve, with short little pops of the rod to get the bait to spit. But the magic in the prop bait is the little propellers on front and back that continue to quiver when the bait sits still. That's when most strikes occur. Click the link in description below to purchase my personal favorite topwater prop baits.
Do me a favor, if you like these videos, smash that subscribe button, like and share our channel. Keep up to date with all the new content we put out on a weekly basis. See you next time.